Dear friends, today we'll be discussing how we can create a test based on a password. That means if a student has the correct password, then only he'll be able to take the test. Otherwise, he'll be denied further entry into the questions of the test. For that, you have to open your Google Drive, click on New, More, and Google Forms. Suppose I want to take a test for my class, so I can write here class test on chapter number 1, and here I can give the topic of my test. Then first question obviously will be the name of the student. Take it as a short answer question and it will be a required field. Add another question, and suppose this is for the password to appear in the test, and this will again be a short answer. Here you have to do the setting using this field, and this will also be a required field. Click on these 3 dots and select response validation, and here select regular expression contains, and here you have to specify the password. For example, this is my password for the test. Here you have to ensure that when you give the password to your students, the correct sequence of characters must be maintained. Means if you are specifying this string in lowercase, then it should be conveyed to them that they have to type in lowercase. If it is in uppercase, means all are in capitals, then you have to specify likewise. Otherwise, exact string is required whenever a student wants to appear in this test. Now, the second step is to create a section. Remember, section creation is very important because this will open the second page, that means the main page where your questions will be appearing related to the topic. So we have to create a section. Click on the section, and here I am typing the same name and revision of basics of Python. This is the topic of the test. Now I will add one question. Suppose I want to give the question as who invented Python? This is my question, and I want to take it as a short answer question, and in the settings I will mark it as a quiz. Okay. Other settings I'll tell you in the second part of this quiz, and now you click on save. Now my quiz is ready. Suppose this is the first page having name of the student and the password to appear in the test. This is the actual test body where the complete questions containing the test are appearing. So in this manner my entire test is ready. Here I will click again so that the same name is copied as the heading of the test. Now what you have to do is send this test link to your students. And now what you have to do, you have to share this link with your students through WhatsApp or their Google Classroom assignment. And now, if the student is taking the test, he has to click on the URL that you shared or the link that you provided. And suppose as a student I am taking this test. So the test appears on the screen of the student, and here the name is entered by the student and the password. Suppose the password student enters his password and it is a wrong password. Then you can see it is not allowing the student to move on to the next screen, next section. And suppose I am giving a new password. Guesses are not allowed. Exact password is required. And the exact password released by the teacher just before the test is anything that teacher has entered in the setting of the form. So my password was Python revision. Now you can see when the correct password is entered, the exact test screen is opened for the student. And here I can type my answer, submit, and it is submitted. That's it. Thank you so much.